Hey friends, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to draw a really funny cartoon ravioli. These are one of my favorite things to eat. I hope you're going to follow along with me. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get started. We're going to start by using our pencil first. This is to draw the guidelines to our ravioli. And we're going to draw a square shape right in the middle of our paper. And we're drawing our ravioli really big. You could draw it smaller and you could fill your whole paper with lots of raviolis. You could also draw a circle for a plate and then add smaller raviolis on the plate. But for this lesson, we're gonna draw it really big in the middle of our paper. That's all we need our pencil for, so we'll put it off to the side. We're gonna switch to our marker. And also, just a reminder, in all of our drawings, if you want to, you can keep using a pencil and you can get all of the lines just the way you want them, and then you can switch to your marker at the end if you want. Okay, now let's draw the center of our ravioli. This is the part that's filled with all the good stuff like cheese or meat. And we're gonna draw a square shape also, but we're gonna try to round all of the corners. And I'm gonna start in the middle and we're gonna kind of trace around the inside of our pencil guideline. So we're gonna go over to this side. We'll draw a round corner, come up, draw a round corner, and then connect it. That's the center part. Now let's draw the fun, wiggly part around the outside, and we're gonna use the pencil as a guideline. Let's start in the corner first. We'll draw a round corner. Then we're gonna draw wiggles, and when we come back out, we're gonna touch the pencil and then come back in. And we're gonna do that all the way down until we get to the corner down here, and one more wiggle, and then a round corner at the bottom. Okay, let's repeat that same line over here. We're gonna draw a round corner, then we'll draw wiggles coming back out to the pencil line, all the way down to the bottom corner, and then add the round corner at the bottom. Next, we're gonna connect the top, and we'll draw the same wiggles coming back up to the pencil line at the top. And as we come across to the other side, we're gonna try to match in like that into the corner. And we're gonna do the same thing down here. Now, because I'm the only one in the studio right now, I'm not drawing with one of my kids, this lesson might go a little faster than usual. So if you need extra time, you can always pause the video. And that's it. That's a simple way to draw ravioli, one of my favorite things to eat. Now we're gonna switch to the eraser on our pencil, and we're gonna erase the guidelines you can still see. Next, we need to turn it into a funny cartoon. Let's first add some basil to the corner. Maybe this is a bow for our ravioli cartoon. I'm gonna draw a leaf shape right here in the corner, and then maybe a smaller leaf shape coming out to the right. Then we can also, if you want, you could add a little line down the middle of the leaf. Now let's add the face. I'm gonna draw a cute little, funny little smile, and then we're gonna draw big eyes. I'm going to draw one big circle here on the left and the same size circle on the right. Then let's add a highlight. We're going to draw a little circle in the top left of each eye and then color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now we're ready to color our drawings. This part will speed up again, but at the end, remember to pause the video. You can use my drawing as inspiration for yours. Almost done coloring. I'm using a white colored pencil on top of the marker to make the highlights a little bit bigger, and then also to add an extra little one here. You can also add shiny highlights on the leaves, the basil leaf, and you could also add a little highlight on the edge of your ravioli too to make it look more 3D. Maybe I'll even add a little shiny mark here too. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our funny cartoon ravioli. And I hope you'll take time to color your drawings also. I used an orange color, but you could also use a yellow, or you could even add sauce. Maybe there's some red sauce on your ravioli. You can add whatever you want to your drawing and even color it differently. I also used a darker brown color to add shading and even this light gray to make it seem as though it's sitting on top of my paper. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing your own ravioli, and I hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add even more things. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye!